my travel backpack because it fits my Owala bottle, the standard size, and it's kind of like quilted a little bit, so I figured it would create a natural buffer for the souvenirs. Hopefully they made it. These are just, you know, the keychains. I was a little rough with my own carry-on, so I bought this little one. Honestly, I'm gonna say this, Arizona did not have any souvenirs that would be up my alley. I think Alaska, surprisingly, like at first I was like, oh, there's nothing cute, but Alaska surprised me. It had cute ones, so did Portland and Oregon, but for whatever reason, it was harder to find cute like postcards in Arizona, so I only sent Ale one postcard, and it's not even Arizona theme, it's just like a cute painting that I found. And then because I've been doing this a lot recently, I got a Christmas ornament to represent where I traveled this year. Also, souvenirs were so expensive. I don't know, maybe that's because I was in Scottsdale. Then I got this little one. I don't know yet who I'm giving what to. And I got this one, and I kind of like this for my mom. I got a little short glass. I'm probably gonna wrap this back up. I just want to show you the shot glass that I found. Very on par with the thing. This one I'm going to give to my little sister. She's requested shot glass. And then I got this for myself. I really liked it. It's a Navajo sand painting. This was painted by Virginia Tyler from Shiprock, New Mexico. I just wanted to continue because I have a little shell from Alaska that I also got from one of the shops that was like a indigenous based, that had a bunch of goodies that they've made. This is also from Navajo, a Navajo creation. But this one, I gotta keep it out of the kitchen, so as soon as I show it, I have to move it somewhere that I know won't get wet, because you can't get it wet. It is clay and horsehair, and it's just a little pot, a little clay and horsehair pot. Cannot get this wet at all. Very fragile, can't get it wet or else it'll just disintegrate. But I thought this was really cute. I got this when we went up to Cottonwood for the train. And last but not least, which is my souvenir, and I wrapped in my pajamas, my medieval times cup. This bag got a hole because Jiggy, one of the fur babies that was hosting us, he got really excited and he made a jump at me, and he, like, his claw just ripped that, but that's fine. And then I also got this one's the one that I'm giving my mom. It's just like a copper style shot glass because she also collects them. So I got these for, and I need to take off the prices, for my little sisters. I just kind of figured, you know, it'd be cute for the teenagers. Oh yeah, my little cactus, which I'm still not sure if I want to keep it or give it to my mom. This is the one that I was like, I didn't know it was a real cactus, and I honestly don't know how you water it. That's pretty much it. I am gonna go ahead, drink up my coffee, change, and then I need to locate my wallet, and get myself a bag and head over to my mom, meet her at the flea market. I think she said she was going to be there around 11, and it's currently 10. So it might just be easier for me to go downtown, go to the bank, get some cash out because flea market, and then head over. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack up her stuff, get myself my coffee. Monday. It is Monday. My kitchen is a mess. I got home, threw everything on the counter, created a mess. My apartment is a mess overall from like packing and stuff, and now I don't know what I did with my hairpin. Anyways, I already took the Bex out for her morning walk, and I gotta say, I don't know if it's like cold or I'm just cold from being back from Arizona. It's just like I'm not used to it anymore. I like woke up, got the hiccups automatically, and then when I was walking Becky, I just kept feeling like chills all over my body. And I was like, I think I'm cold. And then right now the chills started again, and I really honestly think I'm just cold, that it's just cold outside. So that's why I'm making myself some hot coffee. Today's agenda, I do want to run down to the library to drop off the book, trying to find the motivation and the energy to get out of the apartment. So gotta do that. I just dragged my luggage into the living room just because I feel like I have more space than in my bedroom. And I'm going to start taking things out of my bag, start placing it in piles. I am lacking so much motivation. I do not feel like doing anything at all. I did go to Ross and I went to the library, returned the book, walked over to Ross to return my these pants I bought that didn't fit me. And because of the Ross, the one that I go to, it's always really busy and they don't have a separate line for exchanges. I was like, I'm not standing in line just to like return this. So I just went shopping around. Now I'm like, I have to at least do something, like at least unpack the things and put them in piles instead of just having the luggage just sitting by the door, because that's where they were. And yeah, I did take some stuff out. Obviously the souvenirs were taken out, but there's quite a few things that I still just need to kind of tweak around and then just take all of that stuff out. Go ahead and continue this because all I've done is clean up my TV console and I haven't done anything else. So gotta get stuff going. finished cleaning a while ago. Gotta take my hair out. I put it in here just because it keeps the hair out of my face. I bought these for sleeping. They got like the silk thing inside, whatever. It doesn't work really good for my hair. It flattens it out. It makes it like, yeah, it just doesn't work for my hair texture, I feel. But it does work perfectly for whenever I need to get my hair out of my face. And I mean, it didn't make it too greasy, but I keep saying but, too much but. So anyways, that should conclude, like this should conclude my resetting after a vacation video. It took me a while, honestly, it feels like a while. It technically has been only like a week, because technically I came back from Arizona around a little before the time right now, because today is Saturday, and it isn't until now that I have finally put my luggage away. I put the toiletry bag away. I already started on laundry, which I wasn't planning on doing until Monday, but it is a lot of laundry. So I already started on that. The kitchen is a hot mess, which is normal because I've been using my kitchen. I cleaned it and then I got it all dirty again, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. I've mopped, I vacuumed and mopped the floors. So we're just kind of, everything feels as back to normal as possible, especially because when I was packing, even though I had made a list, even though I had like planned things out, I threw things all over the place, and then I just left like piles of like clothing and like stuff that I didn't take just all over the apartment. And so now we're kind of back to normal. Also, you know, cleaned up the regular wear and tear, you know, that accumulates from me being back home for a week. So just kind of combined the resetting with like my normal weekend cleaning. I am so far behind on editing. I skipped out on posting a video last week, which felt really weird because I have really enjoyed the process of like editing. It has been super duper fun. Now that I know a little more tips and tricks, like before I was just doing basic, and I'm still doing basic, but like I've learned a little bit more about editing, and it's just been really fun. Yeah, just wanted to hop in to say thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.